What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. Today, I'm going to do a breakdown of the trade I took that made me $270. I did 2 trades a day, and let me get into it. So, NASDAQ had a nice little push up to around 950 range, pulled back down. In the first 15 minutes, we hit a low of 902, and basically I waited for a retest at the EMA, which we actually got, and we did hold it for a good 5-6 minutes. Kept getting rejected. We weren't making progress on the upside, so I was pretty confident in going short. I just wanted to wait for my confirmation, and basically I was worried about one thing, and that was the moving average. So I just waited for a open below the moving average for me to get in. I didn't really wait for a shallow pullback just because we had been getting rejected at that EMA, and I had been treating the EMA as a resistance for around, well, let me say the first time we touched the EMA was 950, and the last time we touched it was 1003. So 13 minutes, it treated the EMA as a resistance. So I was really confident in going short. So what I did was I said, you know what? I said I'm not much worried about a shallow pullback today. I'm just going to get in when we get it open below this EMA, this moving average. Sorry about that. That we did. We did try to push up a little bit, but got rejected. So I was really confident in holding my trade. And then, as you can see, we pulled back, hit a nice support, found a nice support around 873. I got out around right here. I started seeing a lot of rejection on the seller side right here and right here. Um, so I didn't really hold the trade that long, but I made a nice like 220. And then the second trade I took was like really short. And I'm going to explain to you guys why I got out so quick. So when we started to to recover a little bit, NASDAQ to be exact, I was like, you know what? I was like, let's just see how this goes. And it started to recover a little bit, touched the EMA, treat it a little bit like a resistance. And I won't lie, like I didn't have many reasons. We were pretty oversold on the downside, and there was a lot more margins on the upside than there was downside. So when I was looking at like risk to reward in my head, I was initially thinking, okay, you know what? I made like 220. I was happy with that, but then I started to see some some good movement, some nice bullish green candles, as you can see right here, and these two right here, and then these three. And then once we got that crack, I actually went long. And even though we did pull back a little bit, I actually got out at the next candle. Like I said, the trade was probably less than a good minute. I didn't really see a lot of momentum, and I just felt really uncomfortable holding the trade. So I just got out after probably like 48 seconds, maybe 30 seconds of holding the trade. And that's something I would like to see you guys do. Definitely going to work on letting my runners run. That seems to be a big problem I tend to have personally. So I am going to focus more on that and not just getting into a trade, holding it for 30 seconds and getting out. Um, there are times where it does benefit me, like for instance today, yeah, I did miss out on a little bit of a nice, I did miss out on a little bit more money, but at the end of the day, there was no progress on the downside once we hit this 872 range. Once we hit this 872 range, we bounced off and took right back off. And as you can see, we broke above the new resistance, broke above the EMA. We actually broke below it, retested it, and went back started hitting higher highs and lower highs, and just a beautiful perfect setup for a recovery right here. So if any of you guys got in on that, congrats to you. Happy for you guys. If you guys got any questions, comment below, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day.